Welcome to Chapter 11, Generative AI and Prompt Literacy. For years, artificial intelligence was designed to recognize and predict the world. Now, the technology has reached a point where it can create it. We're starting with Section 01, the big idea. What is generative AI? This is the starting point for understanding how these tools work and what they are capable of producing. Our roadmap for this section follows these 4 topics. We will start with the shift from recognizing to creating, look at the many forms of generated content, explain foundation models, and finish with why this moment matters. Let's start with 1.1, from recognizing to creating. Most AI systems we have seen so far are analytical. They look at content that already exists and make a judgment, like a spam filter labeling an email as junk or a photo app identifying a face. Generative AI flips that job around. As you can see in this comparison, analytical AI takes content in and judges it. Generative AI takes a request in and produces something that didn't exist a moment ago. For example, instead of asking, "Is this email spam?" a user prompts the AI to write a polite reply. Instead of identifying a face, a user asks the AI to make a photo of a city on Mars. Reversing this basic loop, taking a request in rather than content in, means the software no longer just evaluates data, it generates new material on demand. Subsection 1.2, the many forms of generated content. While chatbots are highly visible, this logic applies to nearly any medium. If a model can learn the patterns of a specific type of content, it can produce new examples of it. On this dashboard, you see 5 categories: text, images, audio, video, and computer code. When one system handles several at once, we call it multimodal AI. A user can upload a photo, ask a voice question, and receive text and image responses. These categories help us set expectations for the tool, but the rise of multimodal systems shows that generative AI is becoming a unified space for all types of media. Subsection 1.3, foundation models. One big model, many jobs. This raises a question. How can one system write a poem, summarize a report, and explain a math problem without being built separately for each task? The answer lies in the foundation model. This is a single, massive AI model trained once on a broad collection of data. Once that base is built, it can be pointed at many different tasks. The most familiar examples are large language models, or LLMs. These are foundation models trained specifically on text, so they can read and produce human language. You've likely seen the acronym GPT. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative means it creates content. Pre-trained means it finished its learning process before you typed your prompt. And Transformer is the specific design that helps the AI understand context. Because of this architecture, we no longer need a different tool for every single job. A single broadly trained base can adapt to almost any request. Section 1.4. Why this moment matters. The science behind this has existed for decades, but everything changed in late 2022. That was when a free, easy-to-use chatbot put these models in front of anyone with a web browser. By 2026, the most popular chatbots reached nearly 900 million weekly users. Generative tools moved from lab demos to a daily habit for students and workers who use them for drafting, summarizing, and coding. When an AI writes a convincing essay, it's easy to assume the tool is thinking or imagining like a person, but that is a myth. The reality is that these systems follow patterns learned from their training data. They can produce useful results, but they do not have human understanding or intention. To recap, generative AI creates new content rather than just labeling it. It works across many media types using foundation models, and it became a global standard because it became widely accessible. Recognizing that these are pattern-following systems is the first step in using them effectively. In Section 2, we will look under the hood to see exactly how these models operate.